This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Helakuru and enabling it as your active keyboard. This is essential because the keyboard needs permission to replace input. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to turn it on in your phone's language and input settings, then select Helakuru as the default. Once done, make sure to grant any requested permissions so predictive text and Sinhala dictionaries can load. Otherwise, you'll miss core features and accurate suggestions. Now you configure layout and behavior so typing is fast and natural. In Helakuru settings, pick Sinhala phonetic if you type with Roman letters or traditional if you prefer native keys. This choice affects how suggestions appear. Next, enable predictive text and autocorrect to speed entry, and turn on emoji suggestions if you use them often. Also, adjust key size and long press characters to suit your thumb reach. These tweaks reduce errors and increase comfort as you type longer messages. You're ready to type. Switch to Helakuru with the globe icon or keyboard selector and start using phonetic input. Type Romanized Sinhala and watch suggestions convert into Sinhala script. Use long press for diacritics and swipe or shortcuts for frequent phrases to save time. When finished, sync or update the dictionary in settings to keep predictions accurate. If you encounter lag or missing characters, restart the app and check updates. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves permission or cache glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.